afternoon and welcome to Breaking News Afternoon. This is Ajeng Kusmayanti. This time, the news came from abroad. A volcano erupted on the Spanish island of La Palma, creating a terrifying river of lava. The molten lava has continued since it erupted on Sunday, September 19, 2021. Lava has even entered residential areas, destroying 166 houses and 106 hectares of land. The thickness of the lava reaches 6 meters, making it easy to destroy anything in its path. According to the authorities, the movement of the lava has increased, promising that the lava will reach the Atlantic Ocean on Wednesday, September 22, 2021. There is a potential for explosion and gas clouds resulting from this meeting of lava and seawater. According to experts, the temperature of the lava reaches more than 1,000 degrees Celsius, and the lava flow is said to be at its worst for months. The Volcano Institute says La Palma spit out 8,000 to 10,500 tons of sulfur dioxide in a day. Likely, all local residents and livestock on the island have been evacuated to a safe place. Thus, the viewers of Breaking News Afternoon, news development regarding the volcanic eruption on the Spanish island of La Palma as well as events happening abroad will be conveyed on the news program the following afternoon. I'm Ajeng Kusmayanti. Good afternoon and see you later.